This 2001 Viking 1285 ST is a pop-up RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Viking is 12 feet 0 inches in length and features spare tire kit, water heater, slide-out, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner. The unloaded weight of this 2001 Viking 1285 ST is 2,675 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.